I created a simple LED strip Match-3 game without writing a single line of code, can you believe it? So how did I do it? Don't worry, let's take a look step by step. Let's first take a look at the hardware used. The hardware is actually very simple. We can see 3 buttons, 1 LED strip, and 1 Tuya T5 development board. The hardware aspect is very simple. The key is writing the code and burning the program. Typically, this involves installing a development environment, designing the game modes, writing the code, burning the program, and repeatedly debugging and verifying the functionality. So, how did we manage to complete this game without writing a single line of code? By using AI, of course. First, open the Tuya Open.ai Open platform, find the Vibe Construct workflow, copy and paste the text, open versus code, open the Claude Code window, paste the text, and install the workflow. Wait for the installation to complete. You will need to manually confirm during the process. Simply click Confirm. Throughout the entire process, you only need to copy and paste to install the development environment. After setting up the environment, we need to provide the AI with a reference. Where do we find one? We open the Tuya Open platform again, find a project, and then find a similar project, such as this one, LED Pixel Matrix. We copy the URL, send it to Claude Code, and tell him that we need to reference this project to create a new project. This is our order for this mission. Look, the AI is starting to analyze our needs and is even writing code. It will ask some questions along the way. We just need to answer them with yes or no. Now that the code is written, the next step is to tell the AI where our hardware is located. This is actually quite simple. Just tell it which interface it is. Here are our commands for reference. Hardware wiring. The WS2812 data cable uses pin P4, buttons use pins P44, P45, and P46, corresponding to red, green, and blue respectively. Buttons are active low. Button I or O is initialized to high. It returns to high when the button is released. A short press of the red, green, or blue button emits the corresponding colored LED. Red, green, and blue LEDs randomly fall from the top of the LED strip. After a button is pressed, the corresponding colored LED is emitted from the bottom of the strip. The LEDs are extinguished at the point where they meet. See, the hardware has been confirmed. Now that the game rules and hardware are ready, we're missing sound effects to enhance the atmosphere. We'll command the AI as follows. Command reference, the total number of LEDs is 72. Play a sound effect when the LEDs are emitted after pressing the button. Decode the sound effect file at this path. Recompile and output the firmware and flash the program. Okay, the AI is all set. Now, let's have the AI compile the program and burn it onto the T5 AI core board and tell me the hardware wiring method. Yes, it has started compiling. It might not go smoothly and there might be errors, but the AI is handling them on its own. Look here, success! We found COM28 port. Let's start burning. Our little game is almost complete. Success! Burning complete. Let's check if the program worked. It was a great success. Our LED strip Match-3 game runs perfectly. See? We didn't write a single line of code the whole time. It was all done by AI. Isn't that amazing? If you find this interesting, why not try making one yourself?